everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you few paraphrasing tool, that is an online website where you can paraphrase your document. You should always understand a research is always a original work. Okay, you have to do your research and you have to find some insights from your research. But few things, but few paragraphs, like if it is an introduction part, okay, you have to give some introduction about the work which you are just doing, like not about your research but what the basic of understanding. For example, if you are just doing some research on diabetics, the concept of diabetics is same, right? What is diabetics, that is same. And how much measure values it should be there for every person, if it is higher diabetics or lower diabetics, that is also same, right? So these few things, no, like definitions or the introduction about that particular background, basic concepts are same. You cannot, even if you try to rephrase on your own, that may also show up some plagiarism, because everyone are writing in an english most probably, okay? So in that case, if you have any problem with that, then you can use the paraphrasing tools or paraphrasing websites, online websites. Okay, this you should not use it for your research, for that is you are doing like a methods. Okay, if you are implementing something, for that you cannot copy it from anywhere. Okay, you are supposed to do it. For that you definitely no need to paraphrase it, because it is your own work. But in introduction part or in a literature review part, you have to convert it into a past tense, or you have to convert it into any special type of conversions. Okay, like the author said and the author discussed about it, the exact thing will be there in an abstract, their abstract, that author's abstract and author's introduction. But how you can rephrase it, even if you give more and more, even if you have more and more shuffles, and if you tried with the various tenses, but if it is not working out properly, then you can go ahead with the paraphrasing tools. Okay, this completely, if you are using it for only a few sentences, that is if you find any plagiarism in only few sentences in your introduction part or in the literature review part, you can use this paraphrasing tool. That is not an unethical one. Okay, because you're just changing the words. But I strongly recommend not to use this paraphrasing tool for your complete research. Okay, that is unethical. Fine, you have to do your research, your concept should be unique, and anyhow you are going to implement, do your implementation and find out the results. In that you don't need any paraphrase. Okay, let us see for that only. Quillboard, this is a paraphrasing online thing, online website where you can try to paraphrase any words. Okay, so I'm going to use um, some data here. So here also you can use only 400 characters. I'm just deleting I'm few characters from here. So this is because this is not a paid version. Even for paraphrasing you have a paid version. The basic versions, that is a free version, will support only till 400 characters. Okay, and you have various modes like standard, fluency, creative, formal, shorten, expand, and everything. Okay, let's just go with the basic one, that is click for paraphrase. So it will reach in, like for every word it will just have some synonyms, it will change the synonyms, and it will change some tenses as well. See here, you can see that the actual data mining task is the semi-automatic or automatic analysis of large quantities of data to extract previously unknown. This is common. Okay, if you just go and see what is data mining, these words will be common. Okay, these words, if I use exactly these words are common. If I use this in my data mining thesis, no, it will show plagiarism. Okay, even if I change, okay, obviously many are doing, almost more than crore people are doing research on data mining. Even they will try various possibilities, right? Extract interesting pattern previously unknown, they will also do that. See, it is not a big deal that if you're doing for a basic definitions or few sentences which are already said or already written. Okay, it's a default one, right? This is what data mining, wherever you go you have to tell only these things. So this is converted into this a different sentence that you can use it in your article. That is not an issue. Anyhow, even if you are going to write, no, you are going to do like this only. Fine. So this is Quillboard. Next is Paraphraser. So paraphraser.io. So here also you have various options like fluency, standard, and creative. So just I'm just copying the word, and I'm just having only few words here. Okay, and then I'm clicking paraphrase now. You can see that those words are converted into a different sentences. Okay, that will be shown here. You can see that somehow everything are showing the same. Okay, okay, the real data mining task in the semi automatic. You can copy this and use it for your work. Next one is a spin board. This is something which is allowing you to paste nearly 10,000 words. Okay, so you can paste nearly 10,000 words here, and just if you want to ignore any words you can just give that, and click I'm not human, sorry I am a human, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm again refreshing this. Okay, okay, just copy this and then it will ask you for the captcha that I am a human. So usually it will come I'm not a robot, right? So that is why. Okay, I am human, and then click, please click the image containing truck. So it is asking for the captcha. Mm, okay, click go. So it will show up the converted text under this. Okay, the genuine information task is the self loader. The
Okay.
next tool which we are going to see is pre-post SEO. Okay, prepostseo.com/paraphrasing tool. Here you have to paste the original content. Even here you can upload a complete document, and if you want to exclude any words you can give it there with the comma separated values, and then you can click to paraphrase. Okay, so here you have an option called paraphrase. Click here, it will ask you for the captcha. Just go ahead with completing the captcha, and once it's done you can click verify. This is for verification purpose. Once it's done you can verify, and it will start paraphrasing your original sentence which you have given. Okay, so it has paraphrased it. Okay, and the next one is edit pad. Edit pad is also having a paraphrasing option. Obviously in every paraphrasing websites you will have two text box. In one text box you have to paste the original document, original sentence, and in the next one you will be getting the output. Okay, so just click paraphrase it. It will take some time to paraphrase. So once it's completed it will show the output in this text area. So these paraphrasing tools you can use to reduce the last minute workload. Okay, that is the important one, because many researchers, if you just go and talk to any researchers and if you tell you are using a paraphrasing tool, they will really see you as a big criminal. Okay, I can understand that is not advisable if you are trying to paraphrase the complete document, the complete article. But anyhow, as a researchers, you will be finding something new that you cannot do. That cannot be plagiarized by anybody. You are doing a unique. You have already find a unique problem, a research problem, and you are trying to do something new. So Only changing few sentences for introduction part, it doesn't means you are doing a wrong one. Okay, so try this, but request not to go with the complete document paraphrasing or complete thesis paraphrasing. Take care. Bye bye. We'll see in the next video with an exciting tool, statistical tools, which you can use it for your research purpose. Take care. Bye bye.